What's up, guys? In this video I want to share with you how to start a business flipping diabetic test strips, to start a medical commodities business. It's so much easier than a lot of people could even imagine. Do you need a website? No, you don't need a website. Believe it or not, I still don't have a website. I'm in the process of getting a website made, but that's not even until almost a year later into the business. And so you don't need a website. I don't need a website. I could, continue on building a massive business without a website. So you don't need a website. You don't need business cards. You don't need another phone or phone number. You don't need any kind of business license. You don't need to have an LLC. Most important thing is just have desire and motivation and the discipline and willpower to follow through on your actions and game plan. But simply all you got, you can start, and you don't need a lot of money to get started. I mean, you can start with $100. If anything, if you got more money to start with, I would highly recommend purchasing the course, link in the description, or coaching with me, so that way you can shorten your learning curve and make massive money as quickly as possible. But if you don't even have the money to do that, I mean, you only got $100 to your name, you can start with that. You can start placing free ads online and to buy boxes of diabetic test strips for cash. And you can buy boxes. Even $100, you can start buying boxes today. About 7 boxes of diabetic test strips for $70, and I'm gonna flip these and make over $100 profit. This was just off one person today, about 7 boxes of them. But I'll sell them, and I'll turn that 70 into almost $200. And so so even with just $70 to your name, you could have bought 7 boxes today. And if that's all you got, start with what you got, flip it, keep building that snowball until you got more money to make more pickups and everything. The nice thing about that, if you're if all you have is $100 to your name, you pick up boxes and you're out of money until you flip them, all you got to do is just turn down the leads, or just, stop marketing, stop placing ads and things like that. So that's the nice thing about it. You're in total control. It's real simple, nothing complicated. Anybody can start a business doing this. Like I said, you don't need any kind of license, no business cards. You don't need a lot of money. You don't even need a car. I have a friend who's doing this business, who's doing almost $10,000 a month, and he doesn't even have a car. He's one of my best friends, and he's just killing it. So yeah, it's a real simple business. Highly recommend if you can get the course in the description. That way you can learn how to make success as quickly as possible. And if you have any questions, comment below. And until next time, have a great day, great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.